This is beautiful elna star, and you can see the function start stop without foot controller. You can start and stop with this button, and up and down needle, reverse and lock stitch. This is the needle threader, and it is a new machine. Only I did check. You can see the condition everywhere. And these are the accessories. What I have, I'm posting. It's the original boards and foot controllers is here. This all sides, and this is the cover of the machine. And let's start. And it's on straight sewing, and I think it should be in the middle because my table will wobble. Okay, the stitch. You can increase the speed from here, but I'm just checking. This is reverse and let's try how to get from here. We can change. It's on 20. And if you don't want to use the foot, you can use this button, and then without pressing any foot you can sew. And you can see how beautifully it's working. And this is the bobbin winder.